Hello everyone. Are you wondering what cringe means? Let's explore. Cringe is a term used to describe something that causes secondhand embarrassment, often due to awkwardness, inappropriateness, or an over-the-top display of emotions. When something is labeled as cringe, it means it's uncomfortable to watch or listen to, typically because it's socially out of place or excessively embarrassing. The feeling of cringe is universal, triggered when someone does or says something that violates social norms or expectations, making others feel embarrassed for them. Cringe content has become a popular genre on social media, where videos or posts that evoke this reaction are shared for their awkwardness or the discomfort they cause. In essence, cringe is all about that gut reaction of embarrassment for someone else's behavior, highlighting the social boundaries we all navigate. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.